Yo, yo, what up? So we got the old thing in, you know what I'm saying? Got that Vevor weld positioner, fresh off the old Amazon truck for about $233, I think it was. So we're gonna see what it's all about together. There's rumors that this doesn't go slow enough for TIG welding. I'm not really a TIG welder, but if I can make it work, you can definitely make it work. Don't hit yourself in the mouth with the foam. She's not that heavy. And this is what we got. Watch, let's open this together, guys. See what this is. All right, do we need to read the instructions? I think it's probably pretty simple, you know? I don't think it's a whole lot to it. If we have to resort to the instructions after we try to figure it out, then, you know, we will. But for the time being, I don't really see any reason. So we got the power cord. Don't need the instructions for that. We know where it goes. You're gonna go right there, like so. Yep, nice and snug. Just so happens I got an outlet right here. We got an outlet right there. Then we got this one here. It only goes in one way, so you can't really mess that up. There we go. You know, sometimes it's hard to find the hole and get everything lined up right. Normally she'll have to help. Oh, she's going. I don't know if y'all saw that. I had to speed all the way down. I don't know, man. That's pretty fucking slow, dude. All right, so move you guys up a little bit. I don't really have anything to put in here. Well, I'll take that back. It's not that I don't have anything to put in here. It's that I don't know how to operate this. Okay, I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. I haven't read the instructions that deep. All right, so where's your knobs at? Okay. Center that bad boy on there. All right, we're almost there. Okay, we're centered on there. This is a 2.5-inch V-band flange, and I'm gonna mark it with a marker. All right, so we're gonna mark it right here, and we're gonna see how slow it goes. I'm just guessing that that's slow enough. I think that that's slow enough. And that's not as slow as it goes. Let me put this on the ground for my operating my foot. So I'm not disappointed with that at all. I don't know how slow y'all are TIG welding, but I feel like I can weld at that speed just fine. Yeah, we're still waiting for it to come back around. Here we go. We're almost around. There's our line. That's where we started from. So can we go slower? That's slower. And it's still turning. So are these people saying that this thing doesn't turn slow enough? I'm not sure I agree with you. This thing was $233. Supposed to sport 20 pounds. I think we're gold. I think we're gold. That's just my opinion. That's Jacob with Market Fab Garage. Woo! Is that the Ric Flair thing? Is that it? I don't know. You should be old enough to know Ric Flair. That's this right there.